This is the book of Luke 21, verse 11. And great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and sights and great signs shall be for him. Shalom. First and foremost, I give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Mukakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true names Yahweh, and his unbegotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahushua. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the last one tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Akim, Aklaf, and I say Shalom. And this is the latest of earthquakes from the earthquake.usgs.gov. You had a total of 41 earthquakes as of March the 31st, 2025, on this Monday night. And you had a 4.5 earthquake 64 kilometers northwest of Cape Great, Papua New Guinea. 5.0 earthquake 34 kilometers northeast of Tantanio, Indonesia. Right, because you had I believe in that same region over there in Indonesia, you had a 5.6 earthquake. And then now you had a 5.0 as well, too. 4.6 earthquake, 5 kilometers southeast of Australia, Colombia. 4.6 earthquake in Greenland Sea. 2.6 earthquake, 55 kilometers northeast of Valimar, Nevada. 4.1 earthquake, 61 kilometers east of northeast of Karagor, Tajikistan. 3.0 earthquake, 65 kilometers southeast of Denali National Park, Alaska. 4.9 earthquake south of the Fuji Islands. 4.5 earthquake, 108 kilometers east to southeast of Kalipo, Papua New Guinea. 4.0 earthquake, 100 kilometers southwest of Irbel, Qatar. 3.3 earthquake, 114 kilometers northeast of San Juan, Puerto Rico. 2.5 earthquake, 54 kilometers northeast of Valimar, Nevada. 4.1 earthquake, 4 kilometers northeast of Sangan, Burma, Myanmar. And that's the same area. On March the 28th, you had a magnitude of a 7.7 earthquake over there, and an additional 6.8 over there in that region, and a 5.1 as well too. And then the aftershocks after that. So I just want to add a side note to that. 4.4 earthquake, 63 kilometers southwest of Alagol, Chile. 3.0 earthquake, 23 kilometers of Suarez, Puerto Rico. 2.9 earthquake, 59 kilometers northwest of Valimar, Nevada. 2.8 earthquake, 16 kilometers northeast of Pensacola, California. 4.0 earthquake, 57 kilometers northeast of Valimar, Nevada. 2.6 earthquake, 59 kilometers northeast of Valimar, Nevada. 4.5 earthquake, 70 kilometers northwest of San Antonio de los Carburas of Argentina. 5.6 earthquake, 72 kilometers southwest of Tamanglaya, Indonesia. 4.7 earthquake south of Africa. 2.9 earthquake, 6 kilometers southwest of Fulta, California. 5.2 earthquake in central mid-Atlantic Ridge. 4.9 earthquake, 93 kilometers southeast of Bangal, Tonga. 4.3 earthquake, 73 kilometers west to southwest of Talta, Chile. 3.4 earthquake, 54 kilometers northeast of Valimar, Nevada. 4.6 earthquake, 173 kilometers northeast of Agats, Indonesia. 4.6 earthquake, 65 kilometers east to southeast of Latolia, Pakistan. 2.5 earthquake, 55 kilometers west of northwest of Elephant Cove, Alaska. 4.8 earthquake south of the Fuji Islands. 2.6 earthquake, 49 kilometers east of Fort Bidwell, California. 2.5 2.6 earthquake in 49 kilometers of Port Belleville, California. 2.8 earthquake 56 kilometers south of White City, New Mexico. 2.8 earthquake in 17 kilometers southeast of Petula, California. 4.2 earthquake in Rex Island, Aleutian Islands of Alaska. 4.5 earthquake 30 kilometers east of northeast of Palaka, Peru. You had a 4.5 earthquake 25 kilometers southeast of Talabalaka, Indonesia. 2.6 earthquake 2 kilometers northwest of Los Matos, Puerto Rico. So those was the latest earthquakes in diverse places as of March the 31st, 2025 on this Monday night. Once again, this is the book of Luke 21 verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and weird signs shall be for heaven. Right, so we're going to be seeing these increasing of these great earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying. This sit-down lesson as of March the 31st, 2025, Monday night, as I mentioned once again. So hopefully this was edifying. And with that, I give all praises and glory now to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Kakadash, Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Wa'akwa. Next time I will say Shalom.